This fly-through has been designed to give an idea of what a regional control centre might look like. The RCC shown here does not represent an actual building, but showcases the general look and feel of the planned RCCs. All RCCs will look and feel slightly different. The interior design will be chosen in conjunction with regional teams, and the external appearance will fit in with the local landscape to conform with local planning guidance. Thank you. Hi Jane, nice to meet you. You got your day pass okay?
Yes, thanks. It's nice to meet you too. And thanks for showing me around.
Oh, no worries. So, this is our new regional control centre. The security's very good, the site's protected, and there's a member of security staff in the gatehouse 24 hours a day. The car parking's also good. I never have to worry about getting the space, and I feel very safe walking to and from the car. Even though they're similar inside in terms of facilities, all the regional control centres look different from the outside to blend in locally. I think this one fits in really well. As you come in the main entrance, there's a locker room just on your right here. Everybody has a full height locker. I keep my kit in here and various other bits and pieces. It's important we all have a place to leave our things on site. The changing rooms are in there. The showers are great. And it might be possible to put a gym in the building as well. There's a room which is easily convertible if our region decides to do it. The needs of the control staff are at the heart of the building design, and the centre's well laid out. The main control room's just upstairs this way. We also have a lift as well, so technical staff don't have to carry things up the stairs. Of course, the building is fully compliant with disability standards. Control room staff from across the country took part in ergonomics trials, and they directly influenced the layout of the control room itself. It's very impressive. I find it a calm working environment. Let's meet Sarah. She's the operations manager on duty today. Sarah, this is Jane. She's starting her training next month. Is it still okay for me to show her around?
That's fine. Nice to meet you, Jane. If you could sign the control visitor log, please. Dave has a couple of seats free at the moment.
OK, thanks. It's very spacious and comfortable. There's also lots of natural light, which is important when you're working a long shift. We have good-sized desks, and the height of the ceiling adds to the sense of space. The big screen's really useful. It can display information from different sources at the same time. It can give you a sense of what's happening across the region or provide CCTV of incidents. I'll speak quietly so as not to disturb anyone. So, as you can see, there are 6 positions in each workstation group. This was found to be the optimum team size during the trials, and so far seems to be working very well. The shape and size of the workstation groups were designed to demonstrate good sight lines to the rest of the room. You can control your environment quite a lot. You can adjust the lighting, and there's air conditioning which can be changed too. All of the chairs meet ergonomic requirements. There are 2 training rooms separated off, but they open up to form one large training or business continuity room. They can also be opened up to increase the capacity of the main control room. It's a very flexible use of the space. If you look up there, you'll see the operations room. It will help us manage new dimension type incidents, any wide area flooding or incidents of a similar scale. Also, any visiting FRS personnel don't disturb the work of the control staff, but they get a really good view of the control room and can look at a plan of the wallboard during incidents. Let's just sign out. As I said earlier, this control suite was designed around control staff. The T-point restroom and toilets are near to the control room. I'll just show you where they are. There are toilets back there on the left, and I'll show you the T-point in a minute. This is the restroom. I tend to bring a cup of tea in here and watch a bit of telly or chat with one of the team. It's really nice and light. And if you don't fancy watching the TV, there's a quiet room next door which is similar to this one but a bit smaller.
Bits and pieces of rain. They also thin themselves out. Brighter skies working in across parts of Wales, the Midlands, and in the brighter skies could see numbers for some of us, perhaps managing 21.
The tea point's just here. I'll take you downstairs now to the canteen. The canteen's a nice place to come and have a break. The food's really quite good. I sometimes bring sandwiches in, but I tend to eat here anyway. In this canteen there are microwaves as well, and there's a vending area which is open 24 hours. Lately though, we've been sitting outside on the terrace. See, it's lovely out here. When you leave at night, it's really well lit and secure. I feel just as safe working night duty as I do during the day. There we have it then. Hope you enjoyed it, Jane, and we look forward to having you here with us.
I've really enjoyed it, thanks. Looks like a great place to work.